Oga for your Oga Obama. Make us tell us how in see the game for today.
Now fine game now. But I not give Lampard any credit too. Because even without coach, we supposed beat Bournemouth. So now the players do the work. Lampard not get what they do for there. And just the truth be that.
So your own concern and I say Lampard not work anything.
He not know what, as in, I want put not be saying a bad person, no. But we not fit, you not fit just give what you not get. He's not qualified. So the way he bring car reach, you not fit lead the club go far. Even if you give your best, the best not reach. And just the truth be that.
All right, now so who be your player of the match for this game?
Ziyech, without no argument. He not play much, but the few time when he enter the game change. I not care about anybody think, but now to me, now Ziyech be man of the match.
All right, I'm going to go back to our coach, Frank Lampard. This now, person will be saying a big legend for our club. What if they can't give him the next season, make it carry on, since we never finalize on our Pochettino? How that season go be for you?
Now blunder.
Why?
Left for me. If you have to give Lampard the coaching work, retire Thiago Silva, make a coach Chelsea. It's better than Lampard.
You know Thiago Silva is better than Lampard.
You not give what you not get now. Not be saying a bad person, they do it best, but where he brain reach and where Chelsea football don't reach, not be the same level. Maybe for small club you go try, and I would that may start on championship, may build yourself, or may start with assistant coach or third coach. Seriously, Lampard not really take any serious role before he take over a big club.
Yes.
Now we wait till they worry. He not learn the things we need to learn.
That be lack of experience.
I swear to God.
All right, now so more move on now. So Chelsea now, they finish 11 or 12 now this season. What will be your overview from scale of 1 to 10? How Chelsea perform pass?
For the game today,
for the full season.
Over 1 to 10.
Yes.
8.5.
8.5, including signings and every other thing.
8.5. The signings are poor now. For the now, maybe they feel improve next season, but for the now, the signings are poor.
All right, so Chelsea players, they thought, okay, maybe they give them more time, so they go blend. You agree with them?
I not get an issue with the Chelsea players, but I get issue with something while they notice of the club. The last 4, in short, apart from Mauricio Sarri, we play that Sarri ball. Since Lampard, reach Lampard again, and what pattern of ball will they play? Thomas Tuchel tried to change them for the first 6 months. That one like half season. But immediately he take over the club full time when he coach the full season before they sack him. This is the same mistake they make him. Oh yeah, wait, first of all, which normal right-taking manager go play Harvard on 9 because they play Gallagher for 10? Well, you know, say Harvard be national 10. Gallagher na defensive midfielder to me because he's a bit attack, but he not dey good with the ball. He not get eye for pass. He not dey creative, but na attack he go attack you die. So play for 4 when he take good. Then they play Gallagher for 10, they play Harvard for 9. They foolish now.
All right, now the season now don't come to an end. You see they expect more signings for next season since now don't sign more than 8 players this season. Any new signings where you yourself you dey expect?
For me, I don't know, like not be me get the club.
Yes.
But for me, if you bring in Pochettino, convince Harry Kane to come, make it lead to experience of front. This Modric and Madueke, they go play. They be young boys that go learn. But we just need somebody with a lot of experience to let that front they work. Without being told, if Harry Kane come, I don't know about the cost number 9 shirts, but give her maybe number 10 shirts. Say Pulisic, give Harry Kane number 10 shirts. Where they wear for Tottenham. May not wear number 9, may wear number 10 shirts. Say Pulisic, put her for that 9. I know life for you. Go deliver 20 goals this season. If not for full England, for the whole tournament, go deliver 20 to 22 goals.
All right, now Pulisic out, Harry Kane in.
Very, very wonderful.
All right, now Chelsea next game now against Nottingham Forest. What is your prediction for that game?
Miracle. If we win, we take her. So me, this season don't go. I just call watch me, I not support my club. I not they expect any big team from Chelsea this season. Our manager is clueless. He loved the club, but now legend. When he play for the club, he die for the club. But as right now, okay, man, just make experience. He get some people now. He get some people big like me as a small now. He get some people big, those where they carry gym. Naturally, if they do more to pay me, I go like fight them. You know me say I go beat them. I not fit give what I not get. He get some people you not fit just beat. No matter how you verse, if you see verse naked, they go beat you join. That's all Lampard job. Even if you naked go Chelsea, you not get what you go fit do.
Okay, Baba, thank you for your time.